Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to withdraw payments from Clickbank. When you are logged in Clickbank on your internet site, you will go to your dashboard, to your accounts. You will click on your nickname that you are using, like this is mine on the blue link. So it opens a new tab. When you are in the other tab, it's a little bit outdated site. You will go to your account settings. In this case, when it opens, everything mine. Here will be your personal information. Everything will be blurred from me. But you will see your payment informations down below, and you will click on the right corner, edit. When you click edit, here you have your payment withdraw options. So you can change your payment threshold, $100, you can change it. You can change your payment method, like a check, it comes direct to your house or to your address, or you can click direct deposit and then choose a direct deposit for information from your bank, from your bank city, bank name, etc, etc, and so on and so on. And this is the quick way how to withdraw payments from Clickbank. If you want to know how to withdraw on a PayPal or something else, check our YouTube down below. We have the answer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.